Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about the skill set required for a Python developer. In fact, everyone knows Python is a programming language. Python is used for development. Python is used for robotic process automations. Python is used for machine learning. Python is used for artificial intelligence. Python is used for data science. Python is used for IoT. Python is used extensively for infrastructure automations. In fact, Python is used everywhere in IT. The question is, if I want to become a Python developer, what are all the skill set I need to choose? So we are a training company. We get a lot of inquiries. People who want to become a Python developer, they ask us what could be the right skill set I need to choose if I want to be a perfect Python developer. So this videos we are bringing specifically for the people who want to know what could be the best courses they could choose to become a perfect Python developer. So I have a few options for you, which I'm going to explain right now. So options 1. So choose Python as a programming language. So it is a programming language. Programming language. Then choose one framework, which is Python based framework, Django. Django is a framework specifically used for web application development. Even a large enterprise application development you can do using Django framework. Then you can choose one database. Normally we recommend mySQL database. So if you are a Python developer, so typically you will be developing a business logic, the backend, and you will be giving more of an APIs to the front-end developers. So I recommend you to learn REST API. REST API using Python. This could be one of the best skill sets you can choose if you want to become a Python developer. You have to choose, in this case, Python as a programming language. Today, most of the company want to leverage a framework to develop and deploy their applications. We recommend Django framework. A database, recommended mySQL database. Then you will be developing a lot of REST APIs, which in turn will be consumed by the front-end developers. So this could be one of the best courses. So in case you want to learn front-end skill sets as well, we have an options. Options 2, we call it as. You can go for the same courses, which is the kind of skill set which is there in the option 1. Option 1. Plus, you can also take front-end skills like HTML5, CSS3, plus JavaScript. Of course, this skill set, you can go for it. So, being a Python developer, you can also learn a bit of front-end skill sets like HTML5, CS3, JavaScript. So this could be also a right options. So today everyone talking about full stack developer. When you say, we have people talking about Java full stack developer, we also have in Python full stack developer. So full stack developer is nothing but who does both. In fact, who does everything in Python. Who does backend programming, who in turn design databases, in turn does front-end technologies. So we have options 3. I use this marker. Option 3. So in this option 3, you can choose options 1, which is Python, Django, mySQL and REST API, plus option 2. Option 2 is recommended or a prerequisite if you want to learn Angular or React JS skill sets. So I recommend Angular 6 or 7, you can go for it. You can also choose along with and or React.js, you can also choose Node.js. So if you want to become a full stack developer, of course, the entire skill set could be useful. And in case you really want to go beyond these technologies, you can add some flavor like Cloud Essential, Cloud Essentials plus version control. Version control tools like Git or Bitbucket. I hope this helps for you to decide which course you can choose in Python to become a Python developer. So we always call it as a recommended skill set. The question is, do I need to take the entire skill sets? No, you don't have to. If you want to become a Python developer, the recommended skill set is option 1. So this is what we recommend if you want to become a Python developer. So if you have any questions, you can reach out to us. You can also comment us in the comment section of this videos. To view more technical videos, you can subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching these videos.